Shay here, and what you are looking at is the ingredients that I use to make my spinach dip, which is Mrs. Dash seasoning, some heavy whipping cream, some Philadelphia cream cheese, some spinach of course, and some shredded mozzarella, and last but not least, my favorite, my bell peppers and onions and my green peppers. And I also use scoops for the chips, but you guys can use whatever you want. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna tell y'all, please, please, please wash everything. So I started by melting some butter in the pan so I can saute my vegetables, and I also seasoned it with some Mrs. Dash. You don't have to do this part, but I like to. And you're gonna just give all of that a nice stir to get everything evenly coated with the butter and the seasoning. And oh my God, y'all, as soon as I drop that in the pan, the aroma, oh my goodness, I wish I could smell this. And then you're gonna put together, you are going to allow it to come to another slow boil, like a simmer, a little bubble like what you're seeing happening right now, and you should be good. Let's see it up close, and then after that we're gonna plate it. Would you look at that? Lord, I wish I could smell it through the damn screen. This stuff smells amazing. Here it is. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you make this recipe, let me know how it was down below in the comments, and I will see you guys later. Thank you.